In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the Backstage view in Excel. Open Microsoft Excel. To begin, we want to get into the Excel settings where this behavior is controlled. Once Excel is open, look to the left side of the screen and click Options at the bottom of the menu. On some versions of Excel, that option may not appear right away, so if needed, click More first to reveal it. Then choose Options. This opens the Excel Options dialog, which is where you can change how Excel handles opening and saving files. In the Excel Options window, move to the left sidebar and click Save. This section contains the workbook save settings, including the one that controls whether the full Backstage screen appears when you use keyboard shortcuts to open or save files. At the top of the Save Workbook section, look for the checkbox labeled Don't show the Backstage when opening or saving files with keyboard shortcuts. Once you find it, click the checkbox so it becomes selected. This changes the behavior for keyboard shortcut actions, so Excel will skip the Backstage screen in that specific situation. After that, go to the bottom right of the dialog and click OK to apply the change, and close the Excel Options window. Now the setting is turned off for keyboard shortcut use, and Excel will open the standard Windows File dialog directly instead of taking you to the full-screen Backstage view. The File tab will still open Backstage normally, because this setting only changes what happens when you open or save files with keyboard shortcuts. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To quickly confirm what changed, use your usual keyboard shortcut for opening or saving a file. Instead of the Backstage screen filling the window, the regular Windows File dialog should appear right away. That means the setting has been applied correctly. If you open the File tab manually, Excel will still show Backstage in the normal way, which is expected based on this option. This keeps the standard File tab behavior in place while removing the extra full screen step only from keyboard shortcut actions, so the setting is focused on that one part of the workflow.